Hi guys, Zane here at Tentworld Woolloongabba. Today I'll be unboxing the brand new OZtrail Ultra HD 4K action camera. The camera itself is capable of recording at 4K 30 frames per second, 1080 at 60 frames per second, and 720 at 120 frames per second. Great for those slow motion shots. It's also capable of capturing photos at a nice crisp 16 megapixels. It's also capable of a time-lapse function as well. As you can see, the camera itself has a very nice wide-angle lens, so you're able to get a lot out of your shots. It also comes with your waterproof housing, which will keep your camera safe at depths of 30 meters for up to 15 minutes. Let's have a look at the camera a little bit closer. So as you can see, out of the packaging, it comes mounted to this plastic plate. To release that, we just pinch in this mechanism here and slide the camera back. So this is the action camera as is in the waterproof housing. So you can see that it has a nice simple 4-button design. On the back we have our LCD display, so you can actually preview your videos and your photos on this screen. To release from a mount, we have a little thumb screw that we can twist to undo. We also can actually release the camera from the case by pinching this mechanism. This will open the back door. As soon as this opens, it is no longer waterproof though, keep that in mind. So within is our nice little camera. It is nice and compact, very lightweight. You'll see on the sides we have a couple of buttons. And on the back, our nice LCD display. On this side here, we have our charging and our output as well. So micro USB charging, mini HDMI cable out. So you can actually run that to a TV. So you can preview your footage there. We also have the micro SD card slot, which is capable of up to 64 gigabytes. Keep in mind that that is not included. So that there is the OZtrail Ultra HD 4K action camera. As I mentioned, this one is brand new to us. So come on in store, check it out for yourself. It is available now in store and online. So that's all today guys, we'll see you again next time. Bye.